Hello and welcome to Womble's Hive. It's December the 4th and it's time for Archie's Paints Countdown to Christmas. Right, I'm going to definitely show you this colour because Nordic was stunning. I mean, look at the shine. It just looks like pure white on the screen there. It's like a sea green with an incredible metallic shimmer. So bright. Absolutely gorgeous. So, what is Paper Chains going to be? That's the name of today's paint. Shake 'em up, pour 'em out. Oh, it didn't do it for us today. Sad face. Well, that's because it's stuck under there, though. It might have done it. Right. What colour do you suppose paper chains are? Because when we make paper chains, we make them out of all the different colours. So here's number 4. It's a beautiful purple colour with candy cane stripe washi tape holding it together. So, have you decided what colour you think this is? Maybe it's a yellowy colour, because we've not had a yellowy one yet, and I do put quite a lot of yellow and gold into my paper chains. But who knows what Kaylee does? So are you ready? Oh, it's a blue. Oh, that is so pretty. I don't actually put a lot of blue into mine. Maybe I should put blue in. Maybe I've been doing it wrong. So this looks like possibly an iridescent blue. So let's get it wet and see what happens. Oops, a little spit of the pigment there. Wiggle it about a bit and then let the water settle some. Does anybody use metallic paints regularly? I kind of really only use them for like highlighting on certain pictures depending on what they're for, but Archie's do some excellent metallic paints, I can say that for sure. So let's wiggle it about and see if this colour's as beautiful on the page as it is on the dot. I'm going to move that out of the way or I'll have a blue hand when I stick my hand in it. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Oh, the pigment is so strong. It's not incredibly thick. You can see how easily it's going down on the page. But the pigment is very vivid. Alright. Let's have a little look. If we're not blinded by Nordic. It does look like it's going to be an iridescent one. I'm not seeing glitter in it. And it doesn't look hyper shiny like the Nordic one did yesterday. So we'll have to wait and see when it dries. I will, of course, give you a little look of it tomorrow when we do day number 5, which is myrrh. Have a think what colour that might be. And until then, with these beautiful shades so far, I will say good night. Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.